Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Your Reviews. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones to bring you the top 5 best options you can buy this year. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer, a tech enthusiast, or a hobbyist, these drones promise to elevate your experience to new heights. But before we soar into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay updated on the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Now, let's take flight and explore the best drones 2024 has to offer. Starting our list at number 5, we have the TENSSENX GPS Drone with a 4K UHD camera, a marvel for aerial enthusiasts. With its shock absorption holder, this drone ensures crystal clear 3840 by 2160 resolution images and videos, backed by a 5 GHz ultra-fluent FPV transmission. The GPS-assisted flight capabilities make it an intelligent companion, ensuring it never gets lost and providing features like smart return home, follow me mode, and customizable flight paths. Its upgraded configuration, including enhanced batteries for a hopping 60-minute flight, brushless motors for a quieter experience, and a foldable design with a carrying case, make it the perfect travel companion. Sliding in at number 4 is the DJI Mini 2 Southeast, a lightweight and foldable mini drone that's a game-changer for aerial videography. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this drone is perfect for adventurers and beginners alike. The simplicity of operation, coupled with a 31-minute flight time and 10 kilometers video transmission range, ensures a worry-free and extended flying experience. The DJI Fly app provides easy-to-use shooting templates for epic imaging, and with 38 km/h wind resistance, it's a reliable choice for various environments. Don't forget the bonus feature of an under 249-gram weight, eliminating the need for registration and making it an easy-to-carry companion on your journeys. Moving on to number 3, we have the Potensic Atom 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone, a powerhouse packed in a compact design. Boasting a 96-minute flight time, 6 km transmission range, and visual tracking capabilities, this drone is perfect for both adults and beginners. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage even in windy conditions, while features like fast charging, multiple intelligent flight modes, and vision sensors make it a versatile choice. The lightweight design, easy-to-use controls, and comprehensive creative features make it a top contender for those seeking the best in drone technology. Stepping up to the second spot is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a folding mini drone with a 4K HDR video camera. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it skips the registration process, ensuring a hassle-free flying experience. With stunning vertical videos in 4K/60 frames per second HDR, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and a remarkable 34-minute flight time, it offers an unbeatable combination of performance and safety. The extended battery life and 20 kilometers max video transmission distance provide uninterrupted flights and immersive aerial views, making it a standout choice for tech-savvy travelers. And now, claiming the top spot is the DJI FPV Combo, a first-person view drone that redefines the immersive flight experience. Featuring DJI FPV Goggles V2 with a super wide 150 degrees FOV, 4K/60 frames per second video recording, and advanced safety features like smart return to home and obstacle sensing, it's the epitome of cutting-edge drone technology. The brand new S mode offers a dynamic FPV experience, combining manual freedom with simplified controls. The OSSync 3.0 transmission system ensures crystal clear real-time HD video transmission up to 6.2 miles, taking your aerial exploration to unprecedented heights.